This is a really cool lung ultrasound. This is the linear probe, rib. And there was a question, is this a pneumothorax? This here is an effusion. The way you can tell is if you pause the clip, you're able to see this hypoechoic rim here, and you see this material, which could be artifact or it could be heterogeneous material from an empyema. It's going up and down. It's as though something is floating. And that's not what a pneumothorax looks like. When you see a pneumothorax, you see this very distinct, bright white line, and you don't see lung sliding. But you don't see that here. You see something different. What would have been really interesting was taking the curvilinear probe and then seeing what is deep to here. There are a lot of lung views, but again, they're all with the linear probe, and you can see that there is, I think, a heterogeneous sediment type fluid here. So I really do wonder if this was an empyema. And so it would have been really cool to have seen with the curvilinear probe, how deep does this go? What happens when you look in the fast views on both the right and left upper quadrants, just to compare the right and left side? How far does this go? And is this truly a hemopneumothorax, or is this a very large empyema that on x-ray looks like both a hemopneumothorax? If this is atraumatic, it would be interesting to see what this turns out to be. So my main take-home point is that once you see this, this bouncing up and down, I would switch the curvilinear probe, because this is not a pneumothorax. This is fluid in the chest wall cavity, and to get a better illustration as to what's going on, I would have used the curvilinear probe.